Guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, this is black soup. This is Edo State black soup. So let me just tell you what we have here. So we have two leaves here. We have the leaf is Oziza leaf and Ewewea leaf. So this leaf, you get it in Edo State. I think you can get Oziza leaf anywhere. So I've gone to blend it and I am back, you guys. I just poured into the pot and I'm about to cook. So these are black soup on fire. It's cooking. Okay, I'm just going to transfer the milk stock. This is goat's meat, by the way. You can put any protein of choice. I'm just going to stir that now. This is one of the easiest soup to cook. It's so easy. So you put your salt, put your seasoning cubes. You're supposed to allow the food cook for 5 minutes before you start adding your salt and your seasoning cubes. So this soup can be so rough, you can see everywhere is a mess. So you just sit there. Allow to cook for another 3 minutes and your black soup is ready. This soup is really easy, like it's so easy to make it. Just to get the ingredients, the leaf, that is the cocoa. It's only like those things that you can get. Guys, my people, this is how you make black soup. It's so easy, like it's so easy. Like this soup, within 10 minutes you are done with this soup. It's just to pick the leaf. This one I use the dried one, so I do not have the fresh one. I usually just buy in bulk and dry and keep, because I only get it from Edo State. I've never seen the leaf here. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you've not. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.